So where can you get free financial advice? Well, banks will offer it, of course, in hopes that you will do your banking there. Brokerage firms have free information at their websites. Again, they're hoping you'll do business with them. YouTube, but you need to be careful. Is it good advice? Udemy is next to free. You can get courses on sale. There are often sales around. So you can get many of them on sale, as I said. Financial advisors, you can meet face-to-face to better understand what you're up against, what you're getting into. If your life is complicated, getting an advisor might be the best way for you. Sometimes it's difficult to understand, so getting a live person will help. Meetings will be free, but of course they will take a percentage of your investments, so be careful of that. So what are the investment types? Growth, long-term investors who are okay with volatility, means investments are going up and down. There are shares, growth investments give dividends but can lose value, best for long-term investors. Property can involve growth. Property can grow in value medium to long term but can also lose value. You could invest indirectly in a property management fund or REIT, or more risky, invest in a land bank. Where can expats invest? Americans abroad, interactive brokers. There aren't that many choices for Americans, it seems, which is strange, but that's what I've found. Canadians abroad, Vanguard can accept Canadians in some foreign countries, for example, the USA. Not in Japan at the moment, interestingly enough. Hopefully that will change soon. Investing offshore is often tax efficient, but comes with risks. CI direct investing, good for Canadians. Invest in local real estate, especially if you're in your other country long term. You are really an immigrant instead of an expat. Invest with a local brokerage, for example, in Japan, Banner. Open a DBS Vickers Securities trading account. Europeans can invest in Vanguard's ETFs, local real estate in the other country, local brokerage, Vanguard's life strategy funds that are good for UK expats. So check those out.